Get acquainted with the 2018 Dodge Charger. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Go bold or go home. The Charger packs aggressive athleticism and unexpected fuel efficiency into a driver-centered, family-friendly four-door package. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, remote engine start, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows. Feel the exhilaration of raw muscle car power in the Charger. Come in for a test drive.